last time we were here, we used tissue paper, toilet paper rolls, and tape and scissors to make these really fun streamers. And if you remember, I kept trying to blow through the toilet paper roll to see if we could make a streamer that you can blow air through, and the air pressure would push the tissue paper and make it move. Now, I came up with an idea using the same exact material that we used for the streamers, but I thought, how can I make the air pressure, how can I add force to it? And what I realized is when I blow through a big wide toilet paper roll, I don't produce enough air and it kind of dissolves into a soft mist. It doesn't have enough pressure. So I thought, how can I use my breath and make more pressure? So I took a piece of the toilet paper roll and I cut it into a strip about that size. And then I rolled it into a little taquito. You know those taquitos you can buy at a Mexican food restaurant, and you can dip it in guacamole. Oh gosh, I'm making myself hungry now. You could dip it in salsa, guacamole, and we could roll it into a little tiny roll and use the tape and hold it together like this. It's a little tricky, but I know you can do it. It's really good practice for your finger muscles. Remember, we've talked about finger muscles and how important it is to get them strong so we can do lots of activities that require strong fingers and strong hands. So this is a really good way to get your fingers to be super strong. There we go. Now I made this little taquito. Let's see. Oh yeah. Okay. I feel the air when I do this with a bigger space. I don't feel the air as hard as I do with a smaller tube. So now I'm gonna make one out of this blue tissue paper. Now remember we talked about folding hamburger style? I'm gonna fold it again, just like this, so that I can cut a little faster. Watch this, I'm gonna cut the tip and look at what happens. I have two big strips. Now I'm gonna cut these strips again in half, just like that. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that I have 4, I'm gonna use this really special trick that I learned from another teacher, where I take my tape and I tape one side to the table like this, and the other side to the other side of the table. So now the sticky part is above, but it's not moving because I taped it down by the corners. And then I can take my tissue paper, and I like to pinch it, pinch it just like this, so it doesn't take up too much space on my sticky tape. And then I stick it down, and then stick down another right next to it, and then the other, and then the last one. Now I lift it up, or you know what? I'm not gonna lift it up. I'm gonna leave it right where it is. And I'm gonna take my little roll, see the little roll that I made? I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it down, and I'm gonna roll the tape. Let's see, let's start from this corner. Here we go. Roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Ta-da! Kind of made another streamer, but I also made this. Isn't that fun? So fun. All right, you know what else I think I could do? I bet I can get a bin, put some water in it, and some dish soap, and dip this guy in it, and make bubbles. Then I wonder what would happen if I made another one of these, dipped it into the soap. Would the bubbles look different? Would one make better bubbles than the other? I don't know. I think I got a plan for our next video. All right, friends. See you soon. Oh, take pictures of you making these little guys and videos and have your parents send it over to Miles.